originally named KAMAYAN Restaurant, which started in 1977 and preceded DADS and SAISAKI buffets, it is well known for Filipino cuisine with a fine dining setting and made the Filipino traditional way of eating with bare hands fashionable. It has been in the food business for 46 years and counting. Hello fellow food trippers! Please join us on this food trip to dine in DADS World Buffet at West Avenue, Quezon City, which brings together buffet choices from Asian, American, and Mediterranean cuisines, making it a well-sought-after dining destination for parties and special occasions. Diners with reservation are first ushered to the DADS dining area on the second floor, while walk-ins have to wait for their turn at the ground floor reception area. The dining area has several buffet stations with over 200 food choices, which may be the most extensive among buffets. DADS World Buffet for international fairs, Kamayan for Filipino favorites, and SAISAKI for Japanese and other Asian cuisines. DADS World Buffet Station's menu starts with enticing appetizers of cheese and cold cuts, garlic bread, canapes, mini sandwiches, onion rings, nachos, tacos, corn dogs, and french fries. Paired with good choices of Waldorf, melon, baby potato, Greek, macaroni, and mixed green salads. Excellent meat choices at the carving station are DADS ham with apple beer sauce, roast beef and roast leg of lamb, complemented with pasta carbonara and spaghetti bolognese. It comes alongside fish escabeche, salt and pepper pork, and beef in creamy mushroom sauce with our favorite DADS Callos and DADS Paella. For the Kamayan Station, the menu features regional specialties and most loved Filipino foods like appetizers of crispy nilasing na hipon, lumpiang prito, crispy shrimp okoy, tokwat baboy with hearty arroz caldo, and the pressed lumpiang kubo. The Kamayan Buffet crowd pleasers are the delicious lechon kawale, the boneless lechon belly roll infused with aromatics, and the pritong manok complemented with Kamayan salad of pipino, at sarang papaya, burong mangga with bagoong, and ensaladang lato. Hot mains are the slightly soured kansi soup of Western Visayas, kilawing puso ng saging, kamayan kare-kare, kalderetang baka, hinagoong ang baboy, kuhol sa gata, pansit bihon, Pampangas pulutok or bopis, dinuguan, pinakbet, Cebu's apan-apan, and Bicol's laing sa gata and Bicol Express. Best eaten with servings of plain and garlic rice. The Saisaki Buffet Station has a range of Japanese foods familiar to most Filipinos. There is most predominantly a sushi bar with chefs busy handling pressed salmon, preparing the crowd favorites of juicy, bite-sized slices of orange salmon sashimis, and variants of meticulously designed rolled sushis, which are a hit to sushi lovers, and the classic appetizers of salmon and tuna tartare, where the freshness of the piece are highlighted. There are varieties of tempuras, choices of breaded fried foods like karaage, katsu and tonkatsu, yakisoba noodles, okonomiyaki pancake, and salmon kabutoni, among others, with sweet-tasting beef sukiyaki and hot miso soup lined up at the buffet. Alongside are Korean beef bulgogi, japchae noodles, Korean barbecue of pork, beef, and chicken, with side dishes of marbled potatoes, kimchi, fried crispy dilis, cucumber and radish salad, with green iced lettuce. Chinese delights are warm pork salad, sweet and sour pork, mixed vegetables with oyster sauce, lumpiang Shanghai, canton noodles, ginger soy chicken, yang chow fried rice, assorted dim sums, soft pork buns, and chicken feet. Sweet tooth always leave room for desserts. We cap our meal with pressed fruits of watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, and mixed fruit cocktail. Other irresistible native desserts to binge on are the famous bibingka, minatamis na saging, cassava cake, sapin-sapin, palitaw, and the well-loved Filipino cold dessert, halo-halo. We also delighted ourselves with assorted cakes of red velvet, ubi cake, black forest, and mocha cake, perfectly paired with assorted flavors of ice cream. We also enjoyed the unlimited servings of assorted fruit juices throughout the buffet. DADS World Buffet attracts a steady clientele satisfied with a wide range of special food choices, satisfactory quality of food and drinks, with affordable buffet prices and enticing birthday and group promos, and a venue suitable for any gathering, where service is fast and attentive. A world of good reasons, loyal patrons keep coming back. For inquiries and deal-breaking discounts, for early reservations, call West Avenue Brands at 0917 30 89721. See you on our next food trip at Restaurant 5 of Discovery Suites, Manila. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching!